Mmhmm. Sometimes people ask for a vegetarian version to a dish, and the common response might be to just omit the meat. But that doesn't always yield great results because the meat itself is adding a lot of flavor to the dish. In the case of a veggie pilau, building flavor is a slightly more involved process, but with a combination of the right aromatics, veggies and spices, we could achieve a great and tasty product. For my veggie pilau, I like to use more garlic and pimentos than I'd usually use for a chicken or a beef pilau. With the pimentos, we leave in the seeds and the membrane as well. Whatever little heat we could get from that is welcome here. Pumpkin is a must, as well as carrots. Breaking out the natural sugars in these vegetables adds great flavor to the dish. I'm breaking my own rule here about not using more than 2 herbs in a dish and combining a great trio here. I'm using a blend of Cuban oregano, chives, and shadow beni. I also like a spice combo of cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. We're building a complex flavor profile here, so don't skip on the spices. Combined with some bay leaves, this is going to add some rich Creole flavor without the goldenry. Starting off with some oil in a pot, we're going to brown the sugar until it goes frothy and dark. Make sure to drain as much liquid as possible from the peas before adding. Ideally, they should be totally dry because you want the peas, spices, and aromatics to saute before the addition of liquid. Make sure the peas are well coated and then add chopped onion and saute that for 1 minute. Add the spice blend and saute that for 30 seconds. Add garlic, saute for 30 seconds. Then add the pimento. Add the pumpkin, carrots, herbs, tomato paste, and season with salt and black pepper. And saute that for 1 minute. Add the rice and combine well. Then you want to add the coconut milk. Add the bay leaves and scotch bonnet pepper, then cover and allow it to simmer on low to medium heat for 15 minutes. Remove the hot pepper and add the fresh herbs to finish it off. And that's it, a delicious vegetarian pilau that nobody could make style on. Whether you're vegetarian, vegan, or just feeling to take a break from eating meat, this is a great way to prepare a meatless Trinbagonian staple and not sacrifice on flavor. The full recipe is on eatahfood.com. And if you do try this recipe, take a photo and share it with us on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Links to all our social media is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.